You can learn with Mikey.
Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey. And today, I'm at Circle C Met Park in Austin, Texas. Come on, let's go play on the playground. Whoa, you see my mystery box? What is my mystery box doing here? Oh, and we have these little wooden stands right here. I know what that means. We're gonna play Pistas. Yeah. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pistas hidden around the playground. And we gotta find them. Whenever you see a clue, pista, like this, you're gonna say, Pista! And that will get my attention so I can stop and look for the pista. Oh, so exciting. The 5 pistas are gonna spell out what's inside my mystery box. I wonder what's inside. Are you ready to go find the 5 pistas? Yeah, come on, let's go. Whoa, this looks pretty cool. Let's climb it, come on. Whoa. It's a little hard, but whoa, yeah. Whoa.
Pista!
Huh? What's that?
Pista!
Where?
Right there!
Oh, you're right. It's right here. Let's see what it is. Oh, look. It has the number 2, el número 2, and la letra L. That's pretty cool. Now we have 4 more 4 pistas to find. Come on, let's look for them. Whoa, this slide looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna go up the slide because I see some stairs right here. Let's use the stairs. Come on. Whoa, now I'm pretty high. This is pretty cool. Let's explore. Whoa, this bridge looks pretty cool. Uh-oh, I see lava on the ground. I gotta be careful when I cross the bridge. Whoa. Okay, go very slowly. Whoa, don't wanna fall. Whoa.
Pista!
Huh? What's that?
Pista!
Where? In the lava?
Right there!
Oh, right there? Oh, it is another pista. Cool, let's get it. This pista has the number 1, el número 1, and the letter G, la letra G. Cool. Oh, we have how many? 3 more pistas to find. Come on. Whoa. Maybe I'm gonna go down here. Come on with me. Okay, gotta watch my step. Whoa. Okay, 1 more. And then you jump. Whoa, I did it. Cool, let's explore some more, come on. Oh, look at this. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Let's see. Are you ready? Whoa, that was cool. Let's do it again. Whoa, it said whoa. Cool. Oh, look, there's a net here. How about we climb up the net? Go this way. Whoa, it's a little wiggly. Whoa. Oh, that seems a little scary. I don't think I want to play with that net. This is a pretty big slide. How about we climb on up and go down the slide? Come on. Oh, let's try this net. I don't think this one's broken. Whoa, okay, gotta watch out. Whoa, 1. Oh, I got it. Okay. Whoa, it's a little scary. Whoa, I did it.
Pista!
Huh? pista. Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's another pista. Cool. Oh, this pista has el número 3 and la letra O. Cool. So we have 3 pistas here in my pocket. How many more pistas do we need? So we needed 5, cinco. We have 1, 2, 3. So we need 1, 2, 2 more. Whoa, that means that there's 2 more pistas somewhere in the park. Come on, let's go explore and find them. All right, I'm going down. Whoa! That was so much fun. Okay, let's go find the other pistas. Oh, look, the Columpios. How about we go play on the Columpios? Whoa! All right. Cool. Oh, hey, that Columpio over there looks pretty cool. It has like a ring. Let's go play in it, come on. Whoa. How should I do this? Let's see. Maybe I can. Okay, I got an idea. Are you ready? Here we go. Whoa! Oh, whoa! So much fun! Whoa! I'm flying! Whoa! Cool! That was so much fun! Where is that pista at?
Pista.
You found one? Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah! It's right here! Cool! Great job! Let's see what this pista says. It has el número 4 and la letra B. Wow! So we found 4 pistas and we need to find 5 pistas. So how many pistas do we have left? Yeah! Uno pista más! Yeah, cool! Oh, where in this big playground can this pista be? I don't know. Well, this thing looks pretty cool. Maybe we could climb on that. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's kind of shaped like a caterpillar or something. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh. Do I climb down or climb up? Or maybe I can climb this way. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Pista, pista.
You found the 5th pista. Where?
Right there.
I don't see it there. There's lava down there.
Right there.
Oh yeah, it's right here. Cool. Oh, look. It is. It says 5 and la letra O. We have all 5 pistas. Let's go back to the mystery box to figure out what's inside. Come on. Look, I got the 5 pistas. Let's go check them out and see what it spells. Come on. Okay. The first pista is la letra G. La letra G dice G. The next pista is la letra L. La letra L dice L. The next pista is la letra O. And la letra O dice O. You knew that one already, right? All right. The next pista is la letra B. And la letra B dice B. And the last pista, la última pista is la letra O. And what does la letra O say? Yeah, O. Great job. So now let's put the sounds, sonidos, together to figure out what is this word. Are you ready? All right, I'm gonna take the first 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 pistas and put the sounds. So G, L, O, glow. Okay, so that says glow. And the next 2 pistas say So ball. Global. Global. That means inside my mystery box is a global. And a global is a balloon. Cool. Let's go play. Whoa. It is a global? Huh. I thought globals usually are big. You think I should blow it up? How? I don't have a bicycle pump. With my mouth, Boca. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. It's not working. Maybe if you say, "You can do it, Mikey. You can do it," I can do it. Can you say that for me? All right, cool. Here we go. You can do it, Mikey. You can do it, Mikey. Whoa! I did it! All thanks to you, because you said you can do it, Mikey. Now I'm gonna tie a little knot in my global. There! Now the Aire won't come out. And you know what I really like to do with globals? I like to put little faces on them. Should this global be sad, triste, or happy, feliz? Yeah, happy, feliz, like me, and hopefully like you. Cool. What's the first thing I should draw on my global? Yeah, eyes, ojos. And how many ojos do you have? Yeah, uno, dos, cool. So I'm gonna draw 2 ojos. Ha, cool. What else should my global have? A nose, Nariz. Yeah, so he can smell the fresh air. Look, what else does my global need? It needs a smile, Sonrisa. Like this, okay. Whoa, and then I'm gonna give it some teeth, Dientes. Oh, look, it's smiling at you. Oh, and how about we give it some hair, Pelo? Whoa, look at my global, so cool. He's so happy, Feliz. You think we should maybe go play with the global? Yeah, come on, let's go play with it. Yeah, look, I got my global. Let's play. I caught him. Yeah. Oh. Can it stay on my hat? Oh, where did it go? Oh, it's right here. Wow, I had so much fun finding the 5 pistas with you. Thank you so much because it helped me get my global. Cool. Hey, be sure to click the subscribe button. That way you can keep learning with me. Mikey. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free activity worksheets. Bye. Adios.